Hello folks, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we are going to be looking at how to trade on Binance. Now this is for the mobile phone, that's for the Android mobile. So I've already done one for the desktop. So this focused on users that use their mobile phone to trade or probably are interested in using their mobile phone to trade on Binance. So I will assume that you've already downloaded the mobile application on your mobile device, that's on your phone, and you've already created an account. I will put a link in the description below for a video of how to create an account on Binance. And of course, feel free to drop a comment in the comment section below if you have any issues in creating your account. Okay. So once you sign up and you've created your account successfully, this is the page that opens up. So what you need to do is if you look on the bottom, that's the navigation bar on the bottom, you see the home, markets, the trades, the features, and the wallets. So where we're going to be looking at is the trades. So you just need to click on the trades and this shows up for you. So this is where you actually trade on Binance. There is, of course, if you actually have watched the P2P video, I'll put that in the description too. You actually remember that we walk through this place, we pass this particular page before we get to the P2P side. As if you look on the top, you see the convert, the spot, the margin, the fiat, and the P2P, right? But we are going to focus on the spot part of it. So on this spot part, you actually on here, you see the currency pairs, sorry, the crypto pairs. Okay, that's BTC slash USDT. So which means that you're creating, you're trading BTC for USDT. Okay, that's just simply what it means. Now, if you look at the right hand side, you see something like a candle that's on this. So this is actually where the chart comes up. So this is where you get to see the chart on there. I will come back to this later on. So the next one that you also need to be aware of is this buy sell. So this area, it's where you get to see the buy slash the sell part of it. So on the limit is this where you actually get to switch between limit, market, stop limit, and the rest. So we're going to focus on limit and market for this video, because for the stop limit you can actually set this up when your account is already when your trade is already on. So what limit means is you want to buy at a particular price tag, not necessarily what the market price tag is at. Okay, and then what the market means is that you want to buy at that market price. So for this particular video, if you look on here, okay, you will see that the market is showing 39,000 plus. Okay, so once you place an order using the market, so if you switch this to the market, okay, it means that you want to buy at this particular market price. But on the limit part, you can now switch between, let's say that I want to buy for maybe 38,000, for example. So what it means is that once your price gets down to 38 at any time, it automatically picks your trade. Okay, so that's just what it means. And then on here, you can actually type the number of BTC you want to buy, or you can use this navigation bar, that's this toggle bar, to switch between the percentage that you want to buy. Of course, we'll have the 25, the 50, the 75, and the 100 percentage. So you probably can use that, so you have more control by typing in the number of BTC you want to buy for. Okay, and then the same thing happens for the sell part. So the same thing you do for the buy part, you do for the sell part. Now on here is where you get to see the price tag. This is your order book. So this is where you get to see the price range to sell. So the one on red is the sell and the one on the green is the buy. So this is the current price market range at which the sell and the buy orders are actually ranging. Okay, so going back to the candle, that's where we went initially. So this is the trading, or more like the chart view of it. Okay, so on top you get to see the price tag. Okay, and this is actually where the chart is. So this is the chart. Now if you look below here where you have the line, okay, so this is the line chart, but as a trader you need to focus more on the time frames, as this shows you the candlestick pattern. Okay, so you get to see the 15, the 1 hour, the 4 hour, the 1 day. So what this means is that for each candlestick, it's representing a day. If you switch to 4 hours, for example, each candlestick represents 4 hours. What it means is that for this particular time frame where the candlestick went, this particular time frame for each, the 4 hour time frame, you get. So for this candle now that I'm hovering on top, it took 4 hours for it to move from around 38,000 up to 40,000. Okay, so this is actually what it means. That's for that particular time frame. It's actually made that particular movement. So if you click on the more option, the drop down, you get to see other time frames available. So it's not just the time frame that it shows you that it's actually available. So you get to see all other time frames that are available. So you have the 1 minute time frame, we have the 3 minutes time frame, we have the 5 minutes time frame, and you can actually go way deeper depending on your preference. We'll even have up to the 1 month time frame, right? So this more like customize it, or more like customize to your own taste or your own preference, right? Now, the green color, what it simply means is that the market or the price tag went up that particular price time range, and the red means that it came down. Now, technical part of it, what we call it is bullish and bearish. So the green is the bullish and the red is the bearish. Okay? But what it simply means is that the price went up and the price came down. Right. So if you scroll up again, you get to see the order book. Okay, so just like I showed you previously, this also what means. Sorry, this is also where you can actually see the order book. Okay, so if you look on the top right, you get to see a star. So this way you can actually book market. Now let's assume that you don't want to trade BCC for USDT and you have other options you want to trade. You have different ways of switching that. You can just click on the top right and this opens up. Okay, that's one way. Or you can go back and click on this BTC slash USDT2 and this comes up. Now you can search for the pair that you want. Let's assume I have USDT and I want to trade it for other coins, for example. So I click on USDT and it shows up the market range. Sorry, UDST, that's what I typed. So USDT, and it gives me an option of the ones I can actually trade it for. Okay, now mind you that there are some crypto pairs that are not possible for. Okay, so let's assume we want to trade, we have USDT, we want to trade it for BTC, we have BNB, we want to trade for USDT. So USDT BNB, you can see that is not available. Okay, but we can actually trade BNB for that. Okay, so you can see that if you actually search for it, it comes up. Okay, so there are some currency pairs that you can actually trade for the other. Now let's assume you want to trade one for the other and it's not available on here. Okay, let's see if this is available. Okay, so BTC by BNB is not available. So assuming that you have BNB, for example, and you want to trade BTC, so what you just need to do is come back, move to convert. Okay, and here you can actually make your conversion the way you want it. So you just have to choose the conversion that you want to and just click convert and then come back to spot and continue your trade. Okay, so this way you can just convert your BNB to your USDT and then you can now switch to the coins, the crypto pair of BTC to USDT. Right, so this is actually all you need to know for, or more like the basics of what you need to know about crypto trading. Okay, so do subscribe to the channel if you find this video helpful, and don't forget to click on that bell icon and also like this video. It's good for the algorithm so it can get to more people that actually are interested in this kind of video. Okay, that's the content of the video. So thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.